Hey, this is Chris from Papershift, and I'm going to show you how to use Papershift for your restaurant's employee scheduling. So let's go straight into the account. And you can see here that you have the different working areas which you can add to as required. So we have the bar, the kitchen, and the waiters. And you can see the different shifts that we have here. So that we have every week. So from, for example, 4 to 9, we have the bar on Friday and Saturday. Now, you'll see on the left-hand side, we have the employees, which you can enter here. And we can see the hours that they should be working each week, if they're part-time or full-time, for example, and the colours showing if they're over or under. So Michael, for example, here we can see is red, so he's a bit over his hours. You can also see that on a monthly view. Now, we can see that there's just one shift here which hasn't been filled, so it's still red, so let's click into here. And we can see that there is a blue circle here by Patrick, and that's because he's applied to this shift. So we can click here and click done, and now he is in the shift and your plan is full for the week. Now, Papershift also has a reporting function, so you can see if people are fairly assigned to shifts. So we have these tags, weekend and late shift, on the corresponding shifts. And I've just prepared this report so you can see, for example, we have Christina, she's doing 10 weekend hours this month. And then if we look at late shift hours this month, we can see Mark, he's planned for the most late shift hours, so we can keep a track of who's working which shifts and make sure it's fairly assigned. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the absences feature. What happens if someone needs a day off or has a request for annual leave? And you'll notice here there is a notification in this absences section. And Michael has requested to have a day's vacation on the 24th. So let's confirm that. And you'll see when we go into the calendar, he's now been taken out of the shift that he was in. We've got this notification here reminding you that he's off that day. And then we can just click into the shift and add the person who is available for that. And you'll notice it just showed Mark because he's the only person in that working area. And the final thing I wanted to show you is the timesheets or time tracking section, which is here. And you can see the timesheets for each person and the working area that they're in. So you can use this for your payroll, and you can also click here to export. Now, for a restaurant, we would recommend doing time tracking via a tablet. So you have the Papershift time clock app on a tablet, which you have in the office, for example. So when your employees come in at the start of the day, they press their name to clock in. When they leave, they press their name to clock out. And then that automatically comes into this section so you can keep a track of the hours that everyone is working. So that's how you display a restaurant in Papershift. Feel free to go on our website or give us a call to find out more.